Welcome back to my channel. I'm Annette. If you are new here, I post mom, life, food, children, living videos, stuff, content I make. I apologize if you can hear the air conditioner. It is very, very hot for some stupid reason. So, I'm officially on my maternity leave. Life is good. What that means is I have to start getting some shit done. And the first thing I need to do is to swap out my purse. Now, I did have to go out earlier, so my keys and my wallet are already in my small purse that is in the kitchen where I'm not getting up again to go. This lovely purse here, that was a wonderful Christmas gift from Mamaja, has been my work bag since Christmas. I have a lot of purses, nothing against this purse. I do a lot of purse rotation, but now I'm going to be using more of like my small hip purses combined with the diaper bag. So this purse is going to be put into temporary retirement along with all the other purses. 'Tis the season. I swap between a small and a giant purse regularly, but to be honest, this last year of working has been so just incredibly overwhelming for me that I am looking forward to giving this baby the nap she deserves. I'm gonna empty it. Now, here's the thing, this is the fun part. I have not looked in this purse since I started using it. It's probably very gross. I don't know what's in here. This is my work bag. There will be surprises. We're gonna start at the front, work our way out. So there's these two handy, fun pockets, and I'm gonna start with the one closest to me. So I have a wet bag in here. I would use this for my reusable masks at the end of the day, as well as any dishes that I would have from being at work, and I would just collect them in this bag, leave this bag at work until I have a day off, and then take it home with me and wash everything on my day off. It's just convenient that way, so I didn't end up losing dirty dishes in my purse, which there might be some in here, I don't know. Clorox on-the-go wipes. I have 2 liners in here, handy to have. Next side, this is like where I keep most of my like personal items, so I have one clean mask in here. Every time I would wash my masks, I just shove them in this pocket. It makes me a little nervous that there's only one in here. My sprayable hand sani, a not expired Burt's Bees chapsticks, and the Body Shop Moringa hand cream that has expired. And that's everything in that pocket. Should I save the giant pouch for last? I think I'm gonna. Okay, we're gonna do the tiny little pouch in here. Travel Tylenol, a pen. I think this is for glasses. It's like a really tiny little screwdriver. Yeah, it must be for glasses. A gum wrapper, and my Raycons, which probably need to be charged. That's it. Is it? That's it. My sunglasses, that's gonna have to go in the kitchen. This is my container of metal straws. Super handy to have. Yeah, we're into the big pouch now. My 2021 planner, which is done for. My iPad was in here, but it's on the charger right now. We have dirty mask number 1, bunch of really gross plastic utensils. Those are gonna go in the garbage because the plastic has broken and they're now full of things like sand. What's up? What's up? Do I smell like food? And then I have my travel cutlery, which will also be transferred to the diaper bag, where we keep all the important things. Uh-oh. A gross bag. Oh, that's my insurance paper. I should probably put that in my car. Ooh, gum. Dirty mask number 2. Garbage. Dirty mask number 3. Would you like it? You smell my gum. Disgusting, melted, balled up granola bar. Dirty mask number 4. I knew they were all in here. Grocery list. Dirty mask number 5. Dirty disposable mask. Dirty mask number 6. Bent up straw. Dirty mask number 7. Dirty mask number 8. Gross smushed up granola bar. Lots of garbage. Lots of laundry. And we have more garbage. Just a rogue Dairy Queen spoon. What are you? More insurance papers. Do I even have insurance papers in my car? At this point, I don't know. This is questionable. I need to find that out. A bookmark that appears to have suffered water damage. This much Pez. And another gross smushed up granola bar. Timeline for these is very questionable. Is that it? Holy crap, that's it. That was everything. I'm gonna have to vacuum this bag out because it is sandy as fuck. I don't know where it came from, but that's real life. I don't know if this video entertained you at all. Probably didn't, but I made it anyway. So here you go. Thanks so much for watching. If you made it this far, give it a thumbs up because you earned it. Don't forget to subscribe if you feel so inclined, and we'll see you in the next one.